Yeah. So this crypto lord, and I'm here to introduce a new way to make money online. So for the past weeks, I've been doing videos about arbitrage, and today I have decided to switch a little bit so that those who are not good at arbitrage can also earn money or gain money. So this one we call it quantum wallet. So quantum wallet is a wallet like Binance, Bybit, and stuff. But we have some ways to do this trade. You see, so I have the group link in the bio. Yeah, so if you're watching from YouTube, so it will be in the description as well. Yeah, if you click on it, it will you will join the Telegram group, and I will send the link in there for you to join. Yeah. So when you open the link, this how it appears. It's quantum wallet. Yeah. So I'll be showing you how you can use it to make money online. So when you open the quantum wallet, this how it is. So they have their white paper, token, and everything. But we are here to make money. So that one you can choose to read it and everything. So if you're using Android phone, you say that they have app Google Play and these things. But if you're using Android phone, you click on this thing to download. So if you're using iOS, you will not click on this thing. You click on this thing to download. So you click on it, it will take you to the place. Me, I've already downloaded it, so it will take you for you to download it, Quantum Max. So I've already downloaded the Quantum it. So I will go to my screen and click on the Quantum. So when I click on my Quantum wallet, right now you can see that I have $1,200, and I will explain everything to you. Yeah. So when you open and you register, they will give you some phrase. I think it's 10 phrase or 12 phrase for you to connect your wallet. Yeah. So when you go to your wallet, when you register the account, they will tell you to create wallet or import wallet. So as a new to the platform, you create the wallet, and you read and agreed, and you follow the steps and everything. So generate the mnemonic phrase. So this phrase, don't delete. Write the phrase over there. You can't do the screenshot too, so you can have to write it, and they will tell you to input the phrase. So after everything, it will take you to your wallet. This is your quantum wallet. So to get your first $900, that's in ATU, that's a quantum token that you exchange it for Tron or USDT to make money. So you have to bind this code first. So you have to bind this code first. That's capital Q PS capital B 9H. So I will leave these things to in the group as well. So after binding this thing, you get your 900, and when people also bind your code too, you'll be getting more token, and you can exchange the token for USDT or Tron, that's TRX. Yeah. So that one is also the side of it. And if you want to make money, we have something that we call it mining. So here you are here to mine more ATU. That's what we call ATS mining. So I will say that we have this thing over here, the middle one. Click on the middle one. So we have the Tron and USDT. So this one you are about to mine Tron and USDT. So if you want to start with the USDT, that one is from $10 upwards, and your daily is 18% and your monthly is 18%. So let's say if you invest 10 USDT every day, you'll be earning 1.8 for a month. 1.8 for a month. So let's say 1.8 times 30, 54. So it means that you have earned 44 as profit on the $10 account. You can also use Tron as well. So you just have to come here, click on the participate, and you enter the amount. Let's say 10. The 10. You have to click on the 10 and you confirm. So when you confirm, it will start trading. And every day we earn 18%, 18% every day. Yeah. So if you want to learn how you can deposit over here, if you're new to crypto, that one you have to go to your receive, because you're receiving the crypto on the quantum wallet. Then you copy this thing. This one is TRC20 address. Then you go to your Bybit, Binance, any address, any wallet that you're using. Then you send your crypto on that address, and you receive it right here in your, let's say, your USDT. Then you go to your ATS to participate and earn money from it. It's just simple as that. Yeah. So I've created a group for this one purposely, so you can click on the link in the bio, join it, and I'll guide you more. Thank you for watching me. I'm out.